It's Rhapsody Clicks, and I want you, if you've been watching Rhapsody Clicks and you've been enjoying it, let me know what you're enjoying. And if you want us to put something, you want us to add something to it, just go ahead in the comment section and let us know. Have you ever seen some Christians who go to a special place to worship, maybe a mountain, maybe like I've been to Israel, the Wailing Wall, and you see thousands of people gather and they are praying. It's such a wonderful, emotive experience. I mean, it appeals to the emotions, and sometimes people feel like when they go to such places and they pray that God hears them more. Does He? Does He really hear you more from such places? What do we have in Christ? Today's article starts off from where we stopped yesterday. Study it and discover more. If you're not a partner, join me. If you don't have the Rhapsody app, download it today. Have a great day. Love you. God bless you.